Hi everyone, today's headlines. Nagaland, Taipei's post in offices to be discontinued. Nagaland reports 169 recoveries and 145 COVID positive cases on June 7. Opposition making wild allegation without any authenticity, PDA. Noklak Police launches free ambulance services. Chumukurima Town Council launches ambulance services. News in details. Nagaland, Taipei's post in offices to be discontinued. The state government notified that the post of typist in offices will be converted and vacancies to be discontinued and Group D posts redesignated. The Principal Secretary to the Government of Nagaland R. Ramakrishnan IAS issued a memorandum on June 7, 2021 and reiterated that the post of typist shall be automatically converted into LDA cum computer assistant on as and when the vacancy arises, and the typist post vacancy cannot be continued or maintained. Also, the Principal Secretary directed the department to redesignate all the Group D posts into multitasking staff, that is MTS, and said that this is for complaints of all the department concerned. Nagaland reports 169 recoveries and 145 positive cases on June 7. Nagaland reported 169 recoveries of COVID patients, 145 new COVID-19 positive cases and 3 deaths on Monday, June 7, 2021. Taking the active positive cases in the state to 4,703, the Health Department updated in the daily bulletin. With 145 new positive cases on Monday, the total tally of positive cases rose to 22,918. The state also reported 3 deaths related to COVID-19 on Monday, taking the death toll to 415. Out of 3 deaths, 1 each are from Dimapur, Kohima and Pheg, the department updated. Opposition making wild allegation without any authenticity, PDA. The People's Democratic Alliance government of Nagaland, while appreciating all sections of the people for positive cooperation towards observation of lockdown and welcoming the constructive criticism, said that it is unbecoming of responsible parties and senior leaders to simply make wild allegation without any authenticity and made merely to get media attention. The PDA in a press release appreciated all the sections of the people for positive cooperation towards observation of lockdown and thereby continuing to lower the pandemic graph in the state in our collective effort to combat the global pandemic, and said that maintenance of lockdown and to fight against COVID-19 is not only the government's responsibility but a collective battle all over the world, and appreciated the people for bearing with the inconvenience and making sacrifices for each other's safety. Noklak Police launches free ambulance services. The Noklak Police, in collaboration with CHC Noklak, under the supervision of SP Noklak Dr. Prithpal Kaur, IPS, launched a free ambulance service for the people of Noklak town for COVID-19 related cases. According to an update from Noklak Police, during its initial phase, the free ambulance services will cover Noklak town area and adjoining places for COVID-19 related cases, which will cover COVID-19 hospital to home, COVID care center to home and home to flu clinic or vice versa. Chumukurima Town Council launches ambulance services. The Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur, Rajesh Sundarajan IAS, on Monday launched an ambulance service which is an initiative of Chumukurima Town Council in collaboration with Altrota Society and Little Hut Group to cater to any medical emergency within Chumukurima area in general and the town in particular. The EAC and Administrator CTC, Sei Krityo Solo, in a circular informed that the ambulance service has been set up with the help and assistance of Chumukurima Chamber of Commerce and Trade Association, the Town Baptist Church, Chumukurima, 4x4 Attitude and host of generous well-wishers. That's all for now. To get us latest news, don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.